Your meals suck because you keep picking the wrong dish.
The most common problem when eating out is picking the wrong dish and regretting it.
So we're making an app to fix that. When you go out to eat, you can finally see ratings for individual dishes, as well as top dishes at whatever restaurant you go to. Today, we tackled our biggest build challenge. After hours of manually scraping dishes in restaurants, we built an AI-powered data pipeline to do it for us. Here's how it works. Number 1, we pull restaurant listings straight from Google. Number 2, a script opens each place and grabs key info, like menu photos. Step 4, the menu photos go through image reading tools, so AI can identify each dish that's on the menu. Follow to keep up with our progress and get early access.